So today I'm going to cook black lentil. It has been soaked overnight. This is 1 cup. I will be adding 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato. The usual spices, half teaspoon each of the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of either this Himalayan pink salt or the plain salt. It's your choice. All of this will be put in with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm also going to put a pinch of cumin seeds. So all the ingredients have been added to the Instapot. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water and then give it 12 minutes. That will be it. So I have added 2.5 cups of water. Just make sure to mix it well. 12 minutes on high heat and more pressure. So this is what the final result looks like. I have garnished it with coriander and also some garlic, which was fried in 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. So that's the final result. Thanks for watching.